Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to add or insert Roman numerals in Google Docs. So if you want to add or insert Roman numerals in your Google Docs, what you have to do, first of all you have to open like this. Now I'm going to enter a Roman numeral or number in the Google Docs. Now you have to click on in the documents or in the page where you want to add the Roman numerals. And okay, now here you will see insert option. Just click on this insert option, and here you will see special characters. Okay, now just click on this special character, and now here you have to search for Roman, okay, number, like this. So when you search for Roman number, you will see like this options. Now you can just click on it, and you will see that okay, that Roman number has been appeared. So like this you can insert any Roman number in Google Docs. So if you like this video, please like my video, subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for